This one is coming from Pasadena, California. Sorry guys if this is boring for you, but I enjoy opening these boxes. Look, wow, thank you for your excellent. So we got snow clearing Henry, their battery. It is nice. Look at that, shiny. Very nice engine. Next box coming from Darlston, Pennsylvania. What do we have here? I know you like mystery boxes. I'm pretty sure. Oh, look at that. Harold the helicopter. Isn't it nice? Yeah. It's really cool. Oh, what is Tommy Thomas the tank engine, looking clean, nice, very good. Now we have birthday celebration or something from his company Tomas. He is in nice looking condition. Yep, clean. Okay, next we have Diesel 10. Diesel 10 is in great shape. Clean. I like when I get the engines with a clean contact. This is from Mighty Mac's passenger coach, motorized coach. Excellent. I think I got a Mighty Mac somewhere. This is for the birthday celebration car, troublesome truck, and a fuel tanker. So I found this Mighty Mac on another lot, another box. Looks like it needs a little bit of paint. Other than that, I got a complete set. Oh, twisted coupler. No, there you go. Nice, we got the whole set now. Let's move on. This little box coming from Trenino, Missouri. Okay, what is inside of this box? Oh, look at that! Another Mighty Mac. Excellent. I forgot about this one. Woohoo! Excellent. So we got another Mighty Max. That's amazing. Look at that. Oh, this is in really nice condition. Wow, look at the stickers. Everything is really clean. Amazing. New battery maybe? Oh, excellent. Look at that. Wow. Okay, let's move on. Next one. Sorry, my markers. Okay, this one is from Sherwood, Illinois. Sorry if I misspelling that. What is the? I don't know. I'm just gonna cut anywhere. Oh la la! Another Edward, Tolkien Edward. Nice. I'm gonna replace the sticker. It's a little worn on the edges. Yeah. Okay, and the last box. This is too big for whatever is in here. I'm expecting so many engines, or just a few. More space. Oh, I know what's in here. Oh, you're not gonna believe this. You are not gonna believe this. This is the first time I have 3 of the same. Yes. So you won't believe this. Look at this. Can't believe it. Oh, look at this. Another Mighty Mac. Okay. So we have 3. And this is in really nice condition. Look at that. It's really clean. I mean, the exterior looks clean. So we have 1, 2, wow, and 3. I used to have like a 5 at the same time, you know, when I did not post on YouTube. I used to get 5 in a week sometimes, but this is nice. And this set is from Tomy. I think it's almost complete, or the whole thing. But anyways, let's go to the testing. So I'll remove all the screws to access the battery contact, and we are ready to test every engine. So let's begin with diesel 10. Okay, and it's working. This thing is alive. Excellent. Next, at least the engine and the motor is working. Okay. See, that is a broken gear axle. Yeah, easy fixed. Let's go with the first Mighty Mac. Let's see how lucky we are. And it's working. That noise is the electric motor. We'll fix that later. Next, another Mighty Mac. Yep. This one has the gear axle broken, or let me see. Okay, I think it's a gear in the gearbox that is broken. It's not exactly the motor. Next, Mighty Mac. And this one. Another motor, gear motor, electric motor, broken. So I will show you how to fix that or replace. Oh, this one is working. The only thing is the battery is a little discharged. Mine too. But at least it's working. I already put batteries on Edward. I'm going to turn on the switch.
Job done. Excuse me, I'm in a bit of a hurry.
Well, all the engines for me are really good. Thanks for watching. Over and out.